The role of the adverb derived from the original role to describe the indicated one indirectly includes the roles to describe a verb, a determiner, an adjective, another adverb applied in a clause, and the verb applied in the other clause to clarify the logical relationship between the clauses. There are three descriptive words. There are three traits to understand the description. The first descriptive word is a verb to describe the subject. The second descriptive words are a determiner and an adjective to describe the subject or object. The third descriptive word is an adverb to describe the other description. So we can understand that the other description can be stated by a verb, a determiner, an adjective, the other adverb, or the verb in the other clause. This description is about the fact that the adverb is applied to describe the other description. Let's start to study about the roles of the adverb. The adverb specifies the description. We can understand that the adverb specifies the range of the description. So we can describe this procedure as a specification. The descriptive words are classified into a verb to describe a subject of a clause, a determiner, or an adjective to describe an indicated one, which has a role as a subject or an object in a clause, and the adverb to specify the description about an indicated one. The adverb describes the object indirectly to specify the definition of the verb, determiner, or adjective to describe the object directly, or the definition of another adverb. The definition of the adverb is the description. This may mean that the descriptive word to describe a subject or an object is described by the adverb. So we can say that the adverb describes the subject or object in the indirect way via the descriptive word that the adverb directly describes. Or we can study the example. The adverb describes a verb applied in the same clause. There is a clause that the adverb politely is applied to describe the definition of the transitive verb salute. There is a clause, he salutes me politely. The definition of the adverb politely specifies the action of the subject described by the transitive verb salute. So the listeners can understand the action of the subject in the detailed way. The adverb politely specifies the action indicated by the transitive verb salute for the listeners to visualize the action vividly. We can also understand that the effect of the description by the adverb is in the vivid visualization, according to the intent of the speaker delivered in the statement. We can study the application of the adverb for the descriptive words, a determiner, and adjective. The adverb describes a determiner or an adjective applied in the same clause. there are two clauses. He's the very first student. The second clause is this. She's really humble. The adverb very specifies the definition of the determiner first. So the range of the indication student is revealed to be in an order that is predetermined by the speaker. And from the description of the adverb very for the determiner first, the listeners can understand that the order, the object student is in the order, and the speaker intends to reveal that the object student is in the specified, very specified range of the indication. There is the second clause. She's really humble. The description of the adverb really is applied to reveal the intensity of the condition described by the definition of the adjective humble. So the speaker can reveal the extent or depth of the description by the definition of the adjective humble. Thank you for watching.